Bro, no. Please. Yes, the crystal. More crystal, yay, bro. Yay! I can eat them. Hold on, monster. I gotta to beat you for now on. You handle Sarash, the daycare owner. Hold up there, ha ha ha. Yeah, be second in there. Which is why. Oh no, the monster is here. What should I do? I know. I never been played this before, but I am in the cave. I'm alone. Everybody left me behind. No, I cannot condemn about you. You dancer about you. You evil monster. Please no. You cannot can do that. It's too late. Please no, monster. You're very kind, right? Right? I believe you. No, don't tell me it's gonna blow up. And your minion is gonna be spun with the... I know it is gonna be... No, please. Please, no. For lady, she's dancing right now, but now the minions are expanded. No, sad story. No, the crash car are accident. When I defeat this monster, which is mean the world is gonna be saved. I'm the hero. Begin the battle. It's normal. Back to normal. Yes, give me back my world and my friends. You eat them. You evil. No. You cannot can take away from me my friends. Is all of them my heart. No.